I'm not sure how you've come to this opinion that Facebook is better than Google or Google is better than Facebook. Both of them are pretty good. It really depends on what kind of product or service you are offering. For me, I find that Facebook really adds value to my online marketing strategy or the overall marketing strategy, because when someone has a problem, the first place they go is at Google, not on Facebook. You will not go on Facebook and start searching for a solution to your problem. You're going to go to Facebook or YouTube. So these are the two biggest search engines in the world where you will go and try and find your solution to the problem. Where Facebook and Instagram come into play is the remarketing. Because if your audience has come to your website or landing page and have not converted, and then they're going over on Facebook and Instagram and spending time over there, you want to hit them with your ads over there to bring them back and remind them that you are still here, and to build up that brand awareness and the branding. So I use Facebook and Instagram a lot in this way, where we remarket to warm audiences as well as cold audiences, or the top of the funnel where you want to raise awareness of your business. So it's a great way to work all of these ads on Facebook, Google, Instagram, YouTube. Now LinkedIn as well is doing pretty well. So create an ad and run it on all these channels. You don't need to have a mega big budget. You can run a few dollars a day on all of these platforms, and you'll start to get some really good results.